So Bitcoin to $700,000. Is that in our future? Is that, really going to happen? And in my opinion, the short answer is yes. Obviously, the bigger question is when. Calls are for that to happen 5, 10 years from now. And I'm certainly going to be here still doing this, enjoying the journey, because I think it's going to be an absolutely exciting, volatile journey. There's going to be a lot of ups and there's going to be a lot of downs. But ultimately, the reason I decided to make this video was because I fundamentally believe in the power of crypto and what is going to happen with it as we see mass adoption, as we see large institutional funds come in, as we see sovereign wealth funds pick up Bitcoin, pick up other aspects of crypto, other cryptos like Cardano and XRP and Ethereum, and as we see that whole landscape develop. And this title, where BlackRock CEO, who remember historically was anti-Bitcoin and anti-crypto, why did they all of a sudden turn around and now have the biggest Bitcoin ETF? And BlackRock CEO Fink is always constantly out there talking about the power of crypto and Bitcoin and where it's going to go. This is where he was being interviewed and talked about Bitcoin going to 500 and 700,000. Why did they do that? They see opportunity. They see massive opportunity for massive profits for themselves, for their clients, their large financial clients, and all of that. And so ultimately, I decided, I think that was relevant to have a discussion, especially given the current landscape of where we're at with crypto right now. We all know that crypto is really been in this kind of consolidation phase. In fact, a great view of that is here, this Bitcoin chart. You can see this is a price alert, a buy alert, a sell alert right here, where in 95 days, Bitcoin went up 65%. But really, and by the way, that was my trading indicator. That's my software. They gave that buy and sell alert right there. Buy here, sell here, make 64%. $1,000 bought would make you a profit of $659. This is XLM, similar time frame. Buy here, sell here. Look, 484%. $1,000 bought on this buy alert, sold on this sell alert in 34 days would have made you a profit of $4,847. Links are in the description below here on YouTube. If you're on X, the link's below this as well. You can pick up the software for about $1 over a day. The quarterly option is the best because there's a discount code down there to take the price down. And it's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee, because that's what the software does. It helps you know when to buy and sell and then lock in that profit and put that profit in your bank account so that you can do those things in your life you want to do. Okay. But back to what we were talking about on this Bitcoin chart. I mean, if you kind of look at from right here to there, that's 118 days. If you see that, where Bitcoin is really just consolidated and going sideways. And that was kind of going back to my overall point I was making a few minutes ago about the fact that all of crypto is consolidating. All of crypto is really going sideways right now. I think it's because of a lack of retail investment interest. There's a lack of liquidity in the market. We continue to see large institutional buyers buying the top cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, things of that nature. But retail investment is absolutely gone. They left the building a while ago. And this is another thing that I saw this morning on X. It's like Michael Saylor has come out and famously given his orange dot plot diagram here. These are showing you where and when MicroStrategy has bought their Bitcoin, and they continue to look at how much they're on the right hand side. Let me see if you guys can see this. Let me move the picture of me up. There you go. Move over there. You can see on that right hand side, look at how large those orange dots are. They continue to buy at the high. They continue to buy in that 80,000 plus range where we're sitting right now. And Michael Saylor has been famously quoted, as saying they will continue to buy Bitcoin even when it's $1 million per Bitcoin, right? They see that massive value there, and they currently hold $42 billion plus worth of Bitcoin. And ultimately, I think that's part of the narrative I want to leave you with is, you've got very large acquisitions out there, people with lots of money. In this case, example like Saylor, BlackRock, their ETF with billions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. These are not dumb people. These are people who have access to even more financial analysis and tools and technology than you and I will ever have. And they see the ultimate value of Bitcoin going to 700,000, a million, 1.5 million. And I will say, even if you're not a Bitcoin person per se, owning any other top cryptos, as we see Bitcoin go and hit 20 trillion and 30, $40 trillion market cap, because it's 60% of the overall market right there, Bitcoin is, then you're going to see everything else rise along with it. Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Solana, you name it. It's even going to pull meme coins up as an example, because it just will, because that's how much, as far as trillions of dollars will come back into the marketplace. So just wanted to kind of give you that, if you will, motivational or rather inspirational thought, kind of leave you with that right there. That is a great visual to kind of end the video on, as far as MicroStrategy continuing to buy Bitcoin, even at these numbers that we see, because they see that long-term value, 700,000 and 1,500,000 Bitcoin. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink talking about, again, Bitcoin going to 700,000 plus. So with that, I'll see you. Take care, and I appreciate you giving me a few minutes.